Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about check for carrier settings. Check for carrier settings update part on. Cellular network providers, cellular network providers often roll out carrier settings, carrier settings updates that fix issues affecting phone calls and cellular services. Affecting phone calls and cellular services. Although most smartphones automatically install these updates, you may have to initiate the installation manually. You may have to initiate the installation manually. If you own an Android device, go to settings, about phone, go to settings, about phone, and wait for a carrier settings update, pop up. Some Android devices have the option to update carrier settings. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.